Welcome to another video from our BMC YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clean up the records from the SMT Social Follow config form. The SMT Social Follow config form was introduced in SmartIT version 18.05, and it is used to track the tickets that are followed by the logged in user and therefore populates the updates feed in the SmartIT landing page. An excessive number of records in this form can result in performance issues like long time running queries when the user accesses the dashboard, and it could also have an impact on escalation set last work log update, which was introduced in version 19.02. The first thing that you want to do is to get the schema ID of the Social Follow config form. You can get it by doing a select statement on the AR schema table. As you can see, in my case, the schema ID is 1694. Now using this schema ID, I'm going to show you how many records do I have on both the main table and the status history table, which is the age table. As you can see, I have 450 records on the main table, and I have the same amount, 450, on the age table. This is just to confirm that we don't have any orphan records on any of these forms. Now, let's say I want to remove the records that are related to any change request that is in close status. So as you can see, I'm just doing a select count from Social Follow config, and then I'm doing another select inside. This is just to do a join between the change infrastructure change form and the Social Follow config form. This is my where clause. As you can see, I'm just asking to get all the records that are status equals to 11, which is close status. So if I execute this select count, you can see I have 8 records that match that criteria. So in case you want to get more information about those 8 records, you can simply execute the same select statement, but instead of doing a select count, you can do select all, and you should get all the 8 records. As you can see, you get the request ID, you get the ticket ID, which is the change request number, and you can also see the follower ID. So now that you have identified all the records that you want to remove, you can use the same select statement, but instead of doing select all, you can do delete from. The rest of the statement should stay the same, and always make sure that you have a qualification right here on the where clause, so you don't delete any other record that you don't want to delete. So as you can see, I got the confirmation message that 8 rows were affected. Now if we want to just confirm that the records are no longer present on the form, you can either execute the select count or the select all, and we should get no records. Also, remove the orphan records that remain on the status history table, which is the age table. So now I have 442 records, but if I do the same for the age table, you can see I still have 450 records. So we have 8 orphan records there that we need to remove. You can simply do a select from the age table, where entry ID is not in any of the entry IDs that are present on the main table. So I should get the 8 records from the age table. These records are orphan. We no longer have any matching record on the main table, so we have to remove these records as well. You can use the same select statement and simply replace the select all with delete. Okay, and now if you want to confirm, you can run the select statement again. We don't have any other record, and just to also confirm, we have 442 records on the main table, and we have also 442 records on the age table. Now this is just the scenario where you want to remove the change request tickets, but you can also do the same for other type of tickets like incidents, problem investigation, knowledge articles, and any other type of ticket. So these are the steps you need to follow in order to clean up the records from the SMT Social Follow config form. For more videos, please find us at BMC Remedy and Discovery YouTube channel. Thank you.